The pronated bent over reverse dumbbell fly is a shoulder exercise that primarily targets the rear deltoids on the back of the shoulders. One of the issues with using dumbbells versus the bent over reverse cable fly is dumbbells do not maintain tension in the stretched position at the bottom of the lift. However, if you don't have access to the cable machine, stick with dumbbells. Here's how to do it correctly. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, holding a dumbbell in each hand with an overhand palms facing behind you grip. Bend at the hips, keeping your back flat until your torso is nearly parallel to the floor. Ensure you are using a pronated grip with your palms facing behind you. Keeping a slight bend in your elbows, raise the dumbbells out to the sides, away from your body. Continue raising the dumbbells until your arms are parallel to the floor or slightly higher, squeezing your shoulder blades together, feeling the contraction in your rear delts and upper back. Slowly lower the dumbbells back to the starting position, maintaining control throughout the movement. Remember to keep your back flat and avoid swinging the weights. Repeat for reps. Don't stop learning now. Click this video to master the next move with perfect form while avoiding the most common mistakes.